So you've got an absolutely fabulous diamond cut alloy wheel on your car, and then you go and clip the curb, and this is what happens. Just ruins it. But don't worry, we can help you sort that out. Back to original. We've just got the wheel back from having it diamond cut refurbished. You would never know this wheel's been damaged in any way. Look at it. It is absolutely like brand new. What a fantastic job. So there we have it. If you want your wheels refurbished, regardless of what they are, diamond cut, or if you want a total colour change, please just give us a call.